Hi everyone, welcome to this tips and trick video on the Bain Group channel. In this video, we'll be continuing on how Microsoft Teams and Microsoft Stream integrates with one another. In this part 2 of the video, we'll be learning on how to add the Stream app on the left navigation bar of the Microsoft Teams. If you find that you use Microsoft Stream a lot in Microsoft Teams, either to rewatch meeting recordings or your company's latest update, you may want to start to pin the app in the navigation bar to the left. Now, opening up my Microsoft Teams and making it full width so that we can easily see and follow along here, we're going to navigate to the left and select the ellipses to add more apps. If you don't see the Stream logo below, you can definitely type in the keyword Stream in the search box and select it there. Once you select it, be sure that you pin it to the left navigation bar by simply right-clicking on Stream and then pin, so that, for example, if you were to navigate anywhere else in Teams, the Stream app to the left navigation will still be accessible here. Here in this application, you can see that the only videos that you're able to watch from Stream are those that are saved into your My Watch list. These are videos that you want to watch at a later time, or simply as a reminder to come back to watch the video on. In the top right, you can also see that there's a quick link to Microsoft Stream. Now selecting this will open up our browser to the location of my watch list. Now, for example, if I wanted to add more videos to my watch list to view at a later time, you can simply go into either Discover, Video, or contents that you have already uploaded to save and watch at a later time. For this example, let's go into Discover, select Videos. And from here, there's a video that I had previously uploaded and have yet to review it to watch, but I'm going to go ahead and add it to my watch list. And you're simply going to do that by navigating to the right of the item and selecting on the Add to Watch List icon. Now, if I close and minimize my browser, open up my Microsoft Teams once more, in the top right, we're going to reload the page or the tab here. And as you can see, the video that I had previously marked to watch later or add to my watch list is now appearing here in Microsoft Teams. Thank you again for joining me in this part 2 tips and trick video on how Microsoft Stream and Microsoft Teams integrates. If you found this video helpful, please give us a like and hit the subscribe button to be notified, and we'll see you next time.